Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about clothes washer spanner nut wrench with GE adapter, part #TB123A. The clothes washer spanner nut wrench with GE adapter, part #TB123A is a specialized tool designed to help with the installation and removal of clothes washers. It is specifically designed to fit the spanner nut on General Electric (GE) clothes washers. The wrench has a long handle with a flat head on one end and a hexagonal socket on the other end. The hexagonal socket fits over the spanner nut, allowing you to turn it in either direction to loosen or tighten it. The flat head can be used to pry off the old spanner nut if necessary. This tool is excellent. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to secure the drain hose to the washer's drain pump. It is not designed to fix any specific symptoms. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by gathering the necessary tools and supplies for the installation. You will need a spanner nut wrench, a GE adapter, part #TB123A, and a flathead screwdriver. 2. Place the GE adapter onto the back of the washer, making sure that it is securely in place. 3. Using the flathead screwdriver, tighten the screws on either side of the adapter to secure it in place. 4. Place the spanner nut wrench onto the back of the washer, making sure that it is securely in place. 5. Using the spanner nut wrench, tighten all of the nuts on either side of the W. You can buy this part from www.PartsIPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsIPS.com.
Visit www.PartsIPS.com to order residential appliance parts.